Shopper fatigue happens when the visitor is showing interest in a product, but they have to work hard to find alternatives at a different price or style. If your store operates like this, it will lead to high bounce rates and ultimately abandoned carts. Hi, I'm Harish, and in this video, I'll show you how you can fix shopper fatigue using visual AI product recommendations that will analyze the color, pattern, style, and even the shape of the product to recommend products that are visually similar alternatives. So let's get started. Before we dive into the steps, let's take a look at how this will work in real time. First, we'll connect our store to Intempt, which offers over 16 different AI recommendation algorithms for free. Then we'll create a custom recommendation feed, which will use the visually similar algorithm. Then we'll create a personalization where we'll be inserting the product recommendation block and configure it to show the visually similar feed. I'll also show you a tactic you could use to increase the average order value using this recommendation. More on that later. So step 1, search for Intempt in Shopify App Store and connect it with your Intempt account. If you are using other e-commerce platforms, you can use the API integration to do this. Also, make sure to install this JavaScript snippet into the head section of your store. Otherwise, you won't be able to track events through Intempt and create the recommendations. After connecting your store, Intempt will prepare a catalog of all the products you have in your store. You can see it in the recommendations tab. Whenever you make changes to the product in your store, Intempt will update this catalog in real time. Step 2, head over to recommendations, then feeds, and create a new feed. From the drop-down, select visually similar items. If you want to restrict what this feed can have access to, you can add a filter. For example, product type is women's jackets, or else just leave it as empty and create the feed. Now you'll be able to use this feed in conversations, custom emails, wherever you have Intempt's product recommendation blocks. Step 3, it's time to create a personalization to show this feed to our store visitors. Personalization in Intempt lets you show different versions of the same landing page, different types of visitors in real time. Now let's create it. Head over to experiences, then create a new one. Provide the URL of the page where you want to add this recommendation. Then make sure to set the toggle as personalization. You'll see the layout as control group and variant 1. Variants are just different versions of the same landing page. You can create multiple versions of the same landing page that show different messages, headlines, recommendations, and configure who can see which variant. So let's select variant 1. I want to add a visually similar product recommendation block on this product description page right underneath the description. So when a visitor is browsing this jacket, they can see other products that have other styles, colors, or different prices. Now let's open the visual editor. With the visual editor, we can edit all the content, layout, and of course add product recommendations without having to write any code. So let's select a variant and click on insert, then add a carousel block into that page. Then click on settings icon of that block and under content type, keep it as dynamic and select the recommendation feed we just created. Then save and start the experience. And that's it. This took us around 5 minutes to set up. Now, whenever someone visits this PDP, they will see visually similar recommendations below the product description. Likewise, you can create even better product recommendations similar to Nike's Shop the Look or ASOS Style Match. Both use same visual AI algorithms to recommend products that will make the shopping experience one-on-one and improve satisfaction. Now, if you want to increase the average order value even more, you can create specific segments of the people who visit your store. You can do this in the users section. Then configure the variant to only show to returning visitors or new visitors or high-value customers who have purchased a lot from you. So that's it for this short tutorial. I hope you found this to be valuable. If you want to try out Intempt, make sure to use the link in the description. As always, I'll see you in the next one.